I'm Jean Monahan. We were at a street fair and he was helping my daughter, who was Miss San Marcos. She had a pain in her neck. He was kind of just looking at her, and then he kind of did an adjustment on her. And then we just both started coming at that point, and then I brought my other daughter, so it's kind of like been a family thing at this point. So now my granddaughter's coming as well, so everybody's coming. Me, for instance, I know I have had problems with my hip, and always on my left side seems to be my weakest side, where there's times when I haven't even been able to hardly walk, and he's been able to adjust the hip, and I mean, there's like instant relief with that. It's just me trying to work now to get it stronger so it stays more in place. But there isn't a time where I've called and I've said, oh, I'm in pain, and he takes me right in, which is very, very nice. I like that no matter what issue I'm having at the time, it seems like he always has an answer for me or a way to help me correct it as well.